he woo. Today we do a giveaway. Ha ha ha. There. Rare spiked wristband. A short yellow one. And if you really want this wristband, then you'll have to. Never mind. Comment your username. 2. Your status. Under or not. 3. Reason why you need this. And I think a really good reason would be the winner, so yeah. Yay. Yay.